Alright, today we're going to take a look at one of the coolest face masks I've ever received from a brand for Halloween. That's right, this is a digital face mask. Super cool. These are eye holes right here so you can see through them. They're a little bit tough to see through, but not bad. It actually comes with a head covering slash face covering, which I am pulling this down so you can hear me through my microphone a little bit better. It does show you right here where you can just put your eyes into these little eye sockets. Here's the power button here. Here's a recharger right here, so it comes with a USB-C charger and you can charge it that way. And also, you download this app and you can have all these preloaded effects. So I've downloaded the app and I'm able to come in and change all these with a click of a button. So look at this. Oh my gosh, how crazy scary is that? So I can literally go through and just change this to all kinds of different faces that they have preloaded. I can do my own face, I can do my own custom words, I can play music and it will vibrate, it will like sync up with the music. I'm not going to do that for copyright issues for this video, but you can see how you can get really super creative with this face mask for Halloween or for any holidays, any dress-up parties that you have, that type of thing. So if you are looking for a Halloween costume, I definitely recommend this one. We've had a ton of fun with it here in the studio, so don't break my heart. Go ahead, get yours now.